In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L15150 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice and search for Epson L15150 support. Best results, come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson L15150. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, expand underneath operating system, select your version of Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then select Go. And then select the driver and utility combo package installer and proceed to download that. And then once it's on your device, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. And then proceed with the installer as you would a normal application. You can see this file contains the installer to obtain everything you need to use your Epson EcoTank L15150. Select OK to continue. Follow along with the on-screen prompts to get your printer configured to your preferences, like wired or wireless printing, as well as optional features you may want to include. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.